Let me call the number again. We have, listen, we have 28, we have 28, 19, 37 and 24. Choose one. 28. Clap for him. All right. Go and blow the balloon. Blow the balloon. All right. What we have here. We'll go one before. So listen. What we have here is 11. Clap for him. Clap for him. 11. Let's check what is in 11. 7 juice, 2 pencil, 3 razor, 2 pen, 3 biscuits, 2 cheese ball, 3 Nesco, 3 finger, 1 new, 2 Gary, and 3 peanut. Clap for him. Clap for him. Hey, what are you saying to Jenny's Gun Foundation?
Thank you, Jenny's Gun Foundation. I love you.
All right. Next person.